Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am dancing because it is Madam Glam's launch. As of April 1st, House of Light went live on their gorgeous website. And oh my days, see, I gravitate to the pinks, the purples, the greens. Oh my goodness, but after I swatched, I was like, I should have probably got some different colors as well. Because this collection has so much to offer. I also talked to my beautiful representative Karina about really wanting to try their polygel, which cures with a non-tacky layer, y'all. So this ice blossom is clear, and I am going to be doing that in a future video, testing it out and doing some fun hacks with polygel. So as I go through the gorgeous colors that I selected, I just want to read a little bit about this collection and also reiterate a huge thank you to Madam Glam. These colors are so stunning, and I'm probably, if they're not sold out already, gonna have to go over with my VIP and grab the other juicy colors. So we have the King's Speech, which is a gorgeous coral, royal pink, in which you just saw me not swatch, but show the gorgeous color. There's Lightborn, which is a stunning yellow. I Rule, which you'll also see here, which is blue. El Rey, which is a stunning green that I also selected, so you'll see that shortly. Aries Season, which is a stunning vibrant lime green. Angelic Sonata, which is a purple, oh my goodness, purple fantasy, purple dream. And King of Glam, which you also saw me unveil. So the selections I chose were Royal Pink, I Rule, El Rey, and King of Glam. And I thought it was really sweet that the last two launches have had Queen of Glam and King of Glam. So I'll have to do a special set, like unveiling the King and Queen, if you will. So we are going to do some YouTube magic, and we are going to lift these swatches to the sky. And there we go. These are the 4 beautiful colors out of 8 that I selected, one being a confetti top coat. And might I add, a no wipe. Come on, Madam Glam just keeps pulling out all the stops. So as I get up close and personal with the 4 gorgeous colors that I selected, I want to read you the write-up of the House of Light collection. It says, "There will always be a door to the light." Oh gosh, I love that so much. It says, "Now is the time to be still so you can connect with your intuition. The answers you are seeking will come from within, from your deepest truth and knowing. Spring is in full bloom, so it's time to lean into the energy of a new season and express yourself with the House of Light collection. A new vibrant pastel palette mark the entrance to the sacred, mystical portal with shades inspired by the colorful lights and transcendental? Transcendental? I'm so sorry, I totally messed that one up. Energies, and elevate your manicure looks with shades meant to brighten up your soul. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula, our new colors will serve as a mediator between the depths of reality. There is knowledge to be learned in both worlds. To find out yours, choose the colors wisely, and keep in mind, the more you paint your fingertips and listen to your intuition, the more it will flow. Our long-lasting infinite shine formula will ease your way into a new glamorous universe where glamorous manicures happen. And honestly, they're not wrong. Though there was other colors I wanted, you totally gravitate to what's in your heart. So I am quickly going to do a gorgeous demo showing how beautifully these cream polishes ombre together and top her with the gorgeous King of Glam. I am thanking Madam Glam for my word of the day, transcendental. I am going to take that because I have a vast vocabulary and I actually had never heard of that word. So upon looking it up, it says transcendental, meaning adjective, transcendent, surpassing, or superior, being beyond ordinary or common experience, through or belief supernatural. Oh my goodness, well, Madam Glam, you have spoke to my supernatural heart, and I'll be taking that as the word of the day. Oh my goodness, I love to keep in the bloopers and things of that nature because we're an honest channel here, and everything cannot be perfect. But your manicures can be. So you just have to head over to madamglam.com. You can use the discount codes provided down below and in the description box. And adorn your fingertips with the most gorgeous palette. Oh gosh, I'm losing it now. The most gorgeous pastel palette. Oh my goodness. Whew. Between the Easter egg box, last month's collection, and now this collection, my pastel heart is just pumping. I definitely, upon looking again at all of these colors, though I got blinded by the pinks and blues and greens, the King's Speech is such a stunning color. So anybody, if it's still available, I would urge you to go and grab some of these gorgeous colors, or get yourself the entire collection because it is on sale. If you are a VIP, the House of Light bundle is going for $81.27, which has slashed their price in more than half. It is regularly $180. So if you are not a VIP member, don't you fear, because we have 30% discount codes. So that's what I was speaking about before, and that will be in the description box below. But to quickly let you know verbally, that is Raven's Nail Bar 30, Mama 30, or Priya 30 for 30% off your Madam Glam needs. I hope you've loved this simple demo. I just wanted to create a gorgeous ombre with the 3 colors and add King of Glam so you could see how these colors are a match made in heaven. I do have to apologize. I normally have these videos on launch day, but internationally there have been something funky going on with the postal system. So my package was actually sitting in America for almost 2 weeks without any kind of movement. And, America and Canada, we're sisters. We're very close. So the fact that it took that long was quite shocking. But I have to thank you for your patience because, without further ado, the House of Light collection is here. So I'm going to be doing some fun nail dip videos, demos, also a full set on my phalanges using these colors. There's also going to be collabs coming up. So please don't forget to put that notification bell on so you don't miss any future content. Oh, you guys are my family. I love you oh so much. I know it was a little bit all over the there, all over the place, all over the there. It's been one of those days. I've been having horrible pain fog, so words are, inevitably hard. But I just appreciate having such a beautiful family that I can enjoy this beautiful nail journey. I pray this video found you so well, and as I mentioned before, I'm going to catch you in the next one with tons of gorgeous nail content. Oh, I hope you have the most amazing day. Mwah.